Okay, let's do a few examples of scatter plots in Excel. Here's some data on 23 people, their ages and their salaries. I would kind of expect that as people get older, they would make more, just more experience, tenure in the company, promotions. So select your two columns of data, including the labels, and insert scatter plot. And as before, you can make it look better. But yeah, we see a positive upward sloping line. So as age goes up, salary does go up as well. Let's look at an example from a different data set though. Let's take wealthiest Americans and their net worth. Not sure what the association might be here. I mean, some might say that the older they are, the more net worth they would have. So let's take a look. Again, we're just selecting the two columns of data with their labels. Insert scatter plot. So yeah, no association. It's not upward sloping, it's not downward sloping, and it's got quite a bit of variability. The dots aren't really tight with each other. Okay, let's look at one more example. Happiness and age. If we select those two columns, insert a scatter plot, we see that it kind of goes down a little bit from 20s to 40s and then plateaus until about 65 or 70 and starts to go up. People maybe retire and get happier. Okay. So one other way that we can do scatter plots is with Megastat. And Megastat actually gives us a little bit more information when it comes to regression, which we'll do later. So I'll just show you real quick how to do a scatter plot in Megastat. You'll want to go to correlation regression because the scatter plot actually visually shows you the correlation between two variables. What you'll need here is the horizontal axis, so the x-axis and the y-axis. We'll talk later about independent, dependent variables, but basically we're going to have age on the x-axis because that's what's doing the predicting. We're assuming that age will predict salary, not the other way around. Salary can't predict age. Time's the only thing that tells us, how age will change. We age 1 year every year. Okay, and I can put the chart title here, age versus salary. Hit OK. And I see the scatter plot. So upward sloping, it actually gives you the trend line and some of the equations in R squared that you'll need for regression.